Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today's video is all about 5-minute quick and easy classic golden Christmas eye makeup look. It will be a glam on eye makeup look. So those of you are really interested in my videos and those of you are really interested in my channel, please do not skip my video. Watch this video till the end to know all the small and big details about this eye makeup particularly. So yes, I'm going to stop my talking immediately and quickly jump into the video. So I'm done with my base makeup. Now I'm going to quickly start with priming my eyes, and for priming my eyes today I'll be using the Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer. I think concealer are the most affordable and the bestest eye primer. So yes, let's get started. And to blend this concealer today I'll be using the PAC 219 concealer brush. To set my eye primer, I'll be using the Sugar Translucent Powder, and I'm just going to place it all over my eyelid. For today's eye makeup, I'll be using the Beauty Bay Origin palette, and they have some extremely beautiful warm tones and cool tone eye shades. So firstly, I'll start with the transition shade, and I'm going to pick up this transition shade which is pretty warm ochre tone. So let's start to blend this all over my crease area. So done with my transition shade. Now I'm going to switch it over to a light brown shade for my crease area, so that my crease area looks much more defined. So I'm going to pick up this particular brown shade from this palette, and I have taken a fluffy brush to pick up this color and just deposit this all over my crease area. So you can see nice flash of colors on my crease, and the transition and the crease has just got blended so beautifully. Next, I'm going to pat some golden color in the center of my eyelid just to give it a very Christmassy classic look. So we are going to pick up this golden shade from this palette. So I have taken this golden shade and will be patting it all over my eyelid, because I think when you pick up some glittery shade on your finger, it gives more pigmentation. So next I'll be taking the same brown shade in this fluffy brush and just going to blend my lower lash line. And for my inner corners of my eyes, I'll be picking up this champagne shade from this palette and will be just popping it all over my inner corners of my eyes. Going to take the same champagne shade and will be placing it on the brow bone. So done with my eye makeup. Now I'm going to complete this eye makeup by applying some white kajal, because it just opens up the eye makeup much more. So let's apply this on the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to apply some eyeliner, and it is absolutely jet black in color. So let's start. So I'm done with my eyeliner. Next, I'm going to put some mascara all over my eyelashes, but this time I'm using the Essence Eyebrow Enhancer. This is absolutely looks like a mascara, but it is brown shade. So that's the main reason why I want to apply this all over my eyelashes, because I don't want a black layer of mascara. I just need that light brown enhancer all over my eyelashes. Last but not the least, I'm going to complete this eye makeup by applying a false lash. So these are very common eyelashes. You can get it in Flipkart or in Amazon. This is a generic random brand. So I have just picked up, and where's my eyelash glue?
So guys, here is the complete eye makeup look. I hope you really enjoyed today's eye makeup tutorial, and do try this at home and let me know in the comment section below whether you really liked it or not. Today's lipstick that I am wearing is 10 Drop Dead Red Sugar Cosmetics Smudge Me Not. And just give me some likes, share my video if you really like my videos, and subscribe my channel, follow all of my social medias, and do not forget to hit that bell icon to stay notified with all of my upcoming videos. Thank you guys, love you, take care, have fun, and just stay tuned with my next video. Bye.